I heard on the metro, I saw the ad, and I thought that was the best thing for me. I couldn't believe it because it was something that I was looking for, to start my own business and to do recruitment. Is something that I did have a little bit of experience. So I thought I have to give it a go. I need to call and make sure I got an appointment and come along. The whole experience has been excellent. I enjoyed the workshop because Joe made us feel so comfortable. He was very confident in what he was saying. That made us very confident too. He gave us all the experience that he have over all these years, and delivered the whole presentation in a way that we all understood. Recommend it completely, 100%, because I already did. Before I came, when I saw the ad, I thought, oh my God, I'm gonna call the people that I did this course with. I know that they're gonna be interested because they did bookkeeping and they did payroll, and they're planning to do something with it. So I contacted two of them, and they said they wanted to come today. Unfortunately, it was too soon for them, but they would like to come along. So you will be expecting them. As soon as I get the finance, I would like to have a go, because it's 100% returns, so you will never lose. We're gonna have a 35 years of experience that it can't go wrong, and especially the way Joe is. He's so friendly. He's so approachable. He just makes us feel very comfortable talking to him.